Hi students, welcome to our channel Physics Concepts by Alisa. In today's session, now let's find the derivation for a time period of a simple pendulum. T is equal to 2 pi root L by Z. That equation, now let's derive this one. So then we have to derive T is equal to 2 pi root L by Z. So one simple pendulum, now let us take. This is any one simple pendulum whose length is L. Mass of this simple pendulum is M. Now let us make some force on this one. So the simple pendulum will start oscillating towards this side. So here is now again this of course travels even this side also. So both the sides the simple pendulum starts oscillating. Now let us take this simple pendulum, its tension, it is acting towards this side. On this one, two components we can take. Basically that is mg, and again it is having the mg cos theta, and again we can say this is mg sin theta. So it is making certain angle theta here, and it is making a x distance it is covering from the mean position. Then afterwards this mg cos theta makes the object to move to be in the tension. Maintaining the tension means the travels in this direction. Mg sin theta makes the bob to move in the circular oscillatory motion. So then what we will get now? So mg sin theta, that is equal to the object which makes, that is equal to, it makes force. So F is equal to, so it makes the force. Then we know that mg sin theta, that is equal to F is equal to ma. So both sides m get cancelled. A is equal to g sin theta we can consider. And from this part now let us take, and here it is, then again then we can take the object is traveling towards this direction, and length of this string, and again it is the theta it is making, and x is the distance it is making. So from this one sin theta is equal to how much is that, and we can consider x by L. So in such case then what will be that one? A is equal to g into, instead of sin theta what we can consider, x by L. And again now A is equal to omega square x. This is the formula for acceleration of a particle in the SHM. So here is omega square is equal to, then what we can consider, A by x we can consider. Omega square is equal to A by x. And but omega square is equal to what we have, by A, instead of A what we can write, g into x by L already into 1 by x. A, this can be written as A into 1 by x. So A, instead of A we have written this one. So that will be omega square is equal to what is left, g by L. Omega is equal to how much? Square root of g by L. What is the formula for omega? Omega is equal to 2 pi by t. Then t is equal to how much is that? 2 pi by omega. So 2 pi by g by L, then we can consider 2 pi into root L by g. So in that way we can find out the time period of a simple pendulum. I hope that this session is helpful for you. Please support me, Nana. Wish you all the best.